Hello guys, welcome to Android Buddy. In this video tutorial we are going to make some login form in Android app. So before going further you need to create an empty project, as I have already created as empty activity and named as login form. This is my project name. So before going further, uh, if you need any type of documentation of my every video session, just need to open up starkandroidbuilderblogpost.com. So here you will get the proper documentation as well as the video series. So let's back to our project. So open up your activity main XML file and have an parent layout as linear layout and give a orientation as vertical. So for making a login form we need a parent layout as relative layout, as I am creating match parent web content, and inside my relative layout I am creating two edit text as username and password. Match parent and web content as height, creating an ID as user and text, providing some text, string text, just providing some string variable inside our text as add string user. Press Alt Enter and provide some string values as enter user name. So enter user name. So just copy and paste it below, and it will be below of my user ID, and give a pass as another edit text ID. Provide some background color as Asian, provide some padding as 10, providing some text color slash white. Press Alt Enter and provide some values at text white. It is white 1 2 3 4 5 6 as text white, and providing some hint of text hint color as white. You can provide some another color as I am creating as gray. So just you need to copy all those things and paste it here. Oh, I have mistaken here. It will be not text, it will be hint. Remove this and set as hint. Copy and paste it here. Background color. Provide some margin top as 10 dp, providing some relative layout as padding 10 dp and margin of 150 dp. So we need a button as login button. We are creating a component as login button. Width and height will be web content, and ID will be login btn, and text login underscore button, providing some button values. Add login, it will be below of my pass, and it will be inside it will be center below of my password. Then I am creating center in parent as 2 and providing some margin as top 5 dp, and background color will be dark, and text color will be white. So as you can see, my login form is ready. Now you need to go inside your main activity.java file to retrieve all those edit text values through Java. Just you need to create those object of your edit text inside your main activity.java file. I've created a user and pass. Just you need to access those components inside your user, inside your main activity. Find those IDs, username, just copy and paste it as pass and its password. Oh, it's user and it has a ID as pass. So now it's time to provide some listener to our button click. So we can create a object of button and provide some listener, one click listener to our button object. And another way is to create a method which will be called when a button is clicked. So we are going to create a method which will be called when a button is clicked. So create a public void login as button method and pass an argument as view. We are passing view so that our view will be passed through this method. So just you need to call here, write an attribute on click listener and login. So just you need to check those edit text values inside here. Just need to type user dot. So we need to get those strings values, user dot get text, user dot get user dot get text dot toString, and another is my password. Just you need to check those values here is set, and another is pwd is set, else not. So here empty method will going to return a boolean value as true and false if a value is set or not inside our edit text. If a value is set inside our edit text, it will return false, and if not, then it will return true. So just I'm going to toast those values, get application context, and here you need to pass those username, my ID, and provide some length to your edit text, and else just you need to copy and paste here. If none of the edit text is filled, then we will show a message, pop up a message, enter user and pass. So just we need to run our application. So here our application is compiled. So write anything, and inside our password text we are writing something as you can see our username and password is pop-up. So here edit text password input type is by default is text. You can customize your edit text and provide some attribute as input type text, and inside your password just write input type as text password. Just you need to run your application. Run it. So here my application is run, and just type anything inside your username and password. As you can see, while providing an input type text password, your password is now hidden, as you can see. And when we press a login button, our password is now pop up and accessed. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Visit to my blog for proper documentation of this video lesson. Thank you for watching.